Difference between USB-A and USB-C. USB-A and USB-C are two types of connectors used for transferring data and power between devices, but they differ in design, speed, and functionality. USB-A is the older, rectangular-shaped connector that has been widely used for many years. It is commonly found on computers, TVs, chargers, and other devices. USB-A ports are not reversible, meaning they only fit one way. They support various versions like USB 2.0, 3.0, and 3.1, with increasing data transfer speeds and power output. USB-C is the newer, smaller, and more versatile connector. It is reversible, so it can be plugged in either way, making it more user-friendly. USB-C supports faster data transfer speeds and higher power delivery compared to USB-A, making it ideal for charging laptops, phones, and tablets. In summary, USB-A is the traditional, one-way connector found in older devices, while USB-C is the modern, reversible connector offering faster speed, more power, and greater versatility. For more such informative videos, subscribe our channel and like the video.